Brown rice is a healthy grain with excellent health benefits, but it also has some side effects when consumed in excess. So what exactly is brown rice? Brown rice is a type of rice harvested in its immature stage, known as grain. This mature grain is typically brown or black and contains the bran intact. In China, brown rice is a fantastic food because it can be eaten anytime. This rice is versatile and contains a high amount of complex carbohydrates, which means it can be substituted in many recipes. You can cook this food the same way as white rice, boiled or steamed, and it is an excellent addition to any diet. Brown rice is an excellent source of manganese, folate, and fiber. It contains a moderate amount of protein and is also a good copper, zinc, and selenium source. It is an excellent source of thiamine and riboflavin, vitamin B2. The rice is also rich in calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, vitamin B5, and vitamin B3. Brown rice is a good source of antioxidants, including vitamin A and E, and is also rich in dietary fiber, which helps to maintain healthy blood lipids and cholesterol levels. So what exactly are the health benefits of brown rice? 1. Brown rice enhances nerve functions. The nervous system consists of nerve cells that transmit impulses from the brain to muscles and other organs. 2. Brown rice helps regulate blood sugar levels. 3. Brown rice is easy to digest and has prebiotic properties. 4. Brown rice protects the heart and regulates blood pressure. 5. Brown rice is an anti-inflammatory food. 6. Brown rice can help you lose weight. 7. Brown rice helps you fight cancer.